Sports and physical activities have always been a vital part of our culture, not only as a means of fostering physical fitness, but also as a way to cultivate camaraderie, discipline, and teamwork. Our Sports Fest provides a perfect venue to hone these skills in a fun and competitive environment. Kaya naman ating samantalahin ang pagkakataong ito upang lalo pa nating paigtingin ang pakikitungo natin sa ating mga kasamahan sa serbisyo. To all our participants, you are not only competitors but ambassadors of victory. Be a team player with utmost strategic skill to win for your team. Mabuhay ang Pro1 Sports Fest 2024. Let the games begin.